So you're looking for a luxury home in Dallas? Well, I may have found one for you. Hello, my name is Lamont, and welcome to my newest listing at 6921 Westlake in the heart of East Dallas, 75214. We are very close to White Rock Lake, very close to Lakewood Shopping, and more importantly, we're on this sleepy, very cool and traditional old street in Dallas called Westlake Avenue. Right behind me is this fabulous home. We're going to tour it inside, but before we do, if you find this video of interest, do me a favor, click on the like button, of course subscribe, or hit that notification bell so you can be the first to learn of new opportunities even before they hit the market. So let's check out this remarkable $3.25 million home in the heart of Lakewood. Hey, welcome to my new listing at 6921 Westlake here in the heart of East Dallas in Lakewood. What a great home. Absolutely architecturally significant. There's been a remarkable remodel. Got some dogs barking in the back. But let me give you the highlights real quick. 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, 2 living areas, a study, primaries down, and best of all, the separate guest quarters that are currently set up as a studio apartment. My name's Lamont. If you want to learn more about this home, go to my website or go to my YouTube channel, Luxury Homes in Dallas. So just stepping out the main house, this commercial grade windows. We're checking out this really cool side yard. Got this turf and a putting green. Outdoor kitchen's pretty cool. And best of all, we've got this amazing separate guest quarters. It's a studio apartment with a Murphy bed on the wall. It's got its own bathroom, its own kitchenette, and it's got its own private access. So if you do have guests that are coming there to stay with you for a while, what a great place for them to hang out. Now, let me share with you some more specifics about this home. Okay, so let me share some more information about this remarkable home. It has 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms. It's 4,750 square feet in the main house, and as previously mentioned, it has a fully detached separate guest quarters as well, with a studio apartment, full bathroom, and a kitchen area. But let me tell you more about what this home is trying to celebrate. It's of course celebrating a property of yesteryear. In fact, this home was restored and expanded because it was previously a 1927 Dines and Crafts Spanish electric Tudor, and of course it's in the heart of Lakewood. There was a complete remodel which was done by Maestri Studio, one of the best architects and designers in the city, and that included all new systems, and of course it was finished, I believe, in the fall of 2019. The front living area absolutely maintains a lot of its original character, from the original moldings, the vaulted ceiling, and some statement stained glass windows. There's also a remarkable rockwood Aztec pattern fireplace, and the previous owners, they added a second story and expanded the footprint of the downstairs to double the square footage. Primary bedroom is down, formals are down, study is down, some beautiful sitting areas, and then there are 3 full bedrooms upstairs with a playroom, a media room, and a gym workout area. Now the casita, that is detached guest quarters, which they call a casita, that has a full kitchen and bathroom, as I shared with you previously. And of course, let's not forget the amazing kitchen here with this waterfall quartzite island. You've got designer features including lighting, Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances, huge walk-in pantry, and there's a really cool bar area off the kitchen with some great lighting too. All the cabinets are custom made, and this is actually on an oversized lot. It's 83 feet wide and 150 feet deep. It's got a really cool covered patio on the front, together with the side, which opens up to this turf area, which is perfect for any avid golfers there that don't need to work on their putting. But broadly speaking, what you're getting here is a piece of history. What you're getting here is a beautiful home, a timeless home that's been well maintained, well loved. And if this is something that you can imagine yourself being in, so there you have it. I'm in the bar again. Just kidding. But if you do find these videos helpful or of interest, please feel free to reach out to us, call, text, email. But like I said, if you've enjoyed this video, please hit the subscription button or the like button, so we'll be motivated and encouraged to keep providing you with more information on great homes in Dallas, luxury homes that is, just like this one.